Now, so far you have seen different examples in the form of y equals f of x. Example, we have y equals to 2x, or y equals to maybe 2x power 2 minus 4, and so on and so forth. In each of these expressions, y is expressed explicitly in terms of x. We call this type of function explicit functions. But sometimes the relationship between x and y may not be expressed explicitly. Example, we may have x squared y plus y equals to 0, or maybe yx plus 2y equals to 1, and so on and so forth. If you can see, the relationship between x and y in these two expressions is not expressed explicitly. Therefore, we say the relationship between x and y is expressed implicitly. So the question we need to ask ourselves, how can we differentiate functions that are expressed implicitly? In this tutorial, I will show you two different ways in which you can solve an implicit functions. Example, differentiate. In this type of example, we are going to apply chain rule together with product rule in order to differentiate this function. In our previous knowledge, you know y is expressed in terms of x. Therefore, to differentiate this function, we express y as either dy over dx, or y prime, or f of x prime. Therefore, we are going to apply the same principle in this differentiation. We are now going to apply chain rule to differentiate each of these functions independently, but the first term is x squared y, means we are going to apply product rule here. We are going to differentiate this one independently and this one in the last term. So product rule says you keep one of the terms constant and differentiate the other. So now if I keep x squared constant, I now want to differentiate y. If you differentiate y, you are going to obtain 1. But remember, the derivative of y is always expressed either dy over dx, y prime, or f of x prime. So you can use either of them. First of all, we need to differentiate the function y, which is 1. Then you multiply by either of these three. So let me apply y prime, which is the same thing as dy over dx, plus I now want to keep y constant and differentiate x. If you differentiate x, you're going to get 2x, then y is constant, then plus this time if you differentiate it, you're going to obtain 2y. But I told you, once you differentiate y, you have to multiply by either dy over dx, y prime, or f of x prime. So I have my y prime here, plus. If you differentiate 4x, you're going to obtain 4 equals the derivative of constant term is 0, so we have 0 here. Now I want to collect like terms, those with y prime together. So here I have x squared times y prime, which is x squared y prime. Then I'll bring this one to this place, which is 2y y prime, plus 2xy plus 4 equals 0. By factorization, I will have y prime out, then inside the bracket I will have x squared plus 2y plus 2x y plus 4 equals 0. Then now I want to take all these two terms to the right hand side, leaving these terms. So y prime x squared plus 2y will be equal to, if this term crosses equality sign, it turns to negative 2x y. The other term will change to negative 2. Now to find y prime, which is dy over dx, you can write it as dy over dx. Let me say x squared plus 2y, x squared plus 2y, which will give us, this will cancel this definitely, leaving only dy over dx, which is the same thing as y prime. equals minus 2x y minus 4 divided by x squared plus 2y. This is the derivative of this implicit function. Now I want to apply a particular formula used in finding the derivative of an implicit function. dy over dx is equal to f minus f subscript x divided by f subscript y. This means we are going to differentiate the function, the whole of the function, with respect to x alone. Whatever we get, we multiply it with negative, then we divide by the derivative of the function with respect to y alone. Let us differentiate the function with respect to x, which is f subscript x. This will give us, this term has x. We are going to differentiate this term with respect to x alone, keeping y constant. So this will give us 2xy. Forget about this because we have no x here. Then you differentiate this, which will give us only 4. And remember, we are going to multiply with negative. So this will give us minus 2xy minus 4. Then the second one, f subscript y. We are going to differentiate the whole of the function with respect to y. The first time, if we differentiate y, we are going to obtain only x squared, because this will give us 1 times x squared is x squared, plus the second term will give us 2y. dy over dx will be the derivative of the whole of the functions. Negative f subscript x is minus 2xy minus 4 divided by x squared plus 2y. So this is the derivative of the whole of this implicit function. So I think using formula is quite simpler than applying the chain rule. In my next class, we are going to look on to finding the derivative of trigonometric functions.